Are you a beginner in forex trading and don't have too much of knowledge about forex? Then this video is for you. You already know that old is gold. That's why in this video I am going to discuss the 5 golden tips for the forex beginners. So please watch this video till the end. So let's get started. Yo, what's up guys, my name is Kesav. I am a blogger, forex trader and forex coach, also the founder of trendingknowledge.com. First of all, if you are new here, then press the red button to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get notification of my every single video. Okay, and if you are not connected with me on Instagram, then it's my Instagram username and it's my Instagram profile. Okay, if you have any query, then you can ask me or you can DM me on the Instagram. Okay, I am here to help you. I will guide you step by step. So let's discuss these 5 golden tips for the forex beginners. Okay, number 1, learn to limit your losses. Yeah, actually it is not possible to avoid your losses completely, but you can limit your losses. Okay, now first of all, you need to be a disciplined trader. If you want to limit your losses, you need to learn more about forex and keep in mind some of the strategies that can help you to win your losses. Okay, it is very important to use the stop loss in your order. Why it is very important? Because it always help you to avoid the losses that you are going to face. It always help you to prevent your money. Okay, it allows you to become free from any emotional influences and also help you to stay on track without your judgment with the emotions. So it is always necessary to learn the limit of your losses. Number 2, avoid using too many indicators. Yeah, actually there are most of the people who made this mistake and they start using the too many indicators, but trust me, it can harm you. And if you will use the too many indicators, then it can create confusion in your mind. Okay, and you maybe lose your concentration and you will not be able to find that which indicator is performing better for you and which indicator showing the better results. Another disadvantage to use too many indicators is that you can lose your concentration power. Now, how you can increase your concentration power while trading? So its answer is very simple. You can focus only on 1 or 2 indicators. That will be better for you and you can win your trade easily. Number 3, know your strategies. You need to know your strategies that fit for your trading style. There are various strategies and you can make your own strategies too. Yes, it is possible. If you have a knowledge about the forex market and you know about the forex basics, you can make your own strategies too. Actually, I also discussed in my previous video about my 1-minute forex scalping strategy. Okay, you must watch that video because it always help you to win your trade. You can also watch my 1-minute forex scalping strategy guide video just by clicking on this I button. Okay, it is not so difficult to make your own strategies. If you are a beginner, then you need to know the price action strategies because price action strategies are for the beginners. Okay, if you are a beginner, then you must focus on the technical analysis. Okay, because it always help you to win your trade. Okay, number 4, learn the art of patience. This point I am suggesting in my every single video. If you want to become a millionaire, then first of all you need to keep patience, or if you want to become successful in your life, then you need to do hard work with consistency, and to keep patience is very important. Okay, there are various people who want to become millionaire over the night or within a short period of time, but that's not possible because if you want to achieve your long-term goals, then first of all you need to keep patience. Okay, and in trading, if you have a patience, then you can easily win your trade. Trust me, as you already know, there are 4 types of traders. That is scalpers, day traders, swing traders, or the position traders. Okay, now scalper are those traders which make a small amount of profits within a minimum time. Okay, but you can't become a millionaire if you apply the scalping strategies. Okay, yeah, I know that you can make your small profits, but if you want to become a millionaire, then you need to trade. You need to become a day trader, swing trader, or a position trader. Okay, there are various day traders who become a millionaire, but not over the night. They have a patience. Okay, they focused only on the long term goals. That's why I'm suggesting you to keep patience for your long-term goals, because you need to understand that Forex is not a hobby, it is a business, and you need to treat Forex like a business. And number 5, which is the last point, is sticking to your trading plan. To have a trading plan is most important in the trading. Okay, first of all, let's understand what is the meaning of a trading plan. Now, a trading plan is a set of rules and the guidelines that can shape and define your trading behavior, including your financial goals, risk management skills, or the money management skills, etc. You need to be a diligent in sticking to your trading plan, because a perfect plan can always help you to win your trade. Now, if you want to achieve your long-term goals, then in that case, you also need to work with a proper planning, because if you work with a proper planning, then it can help you to reduce the risk of your trading account. Always remember this thing. Whether you just started out in the trading or a professional, then it is always advised to be prepared, because it is always necessary to have a perfect plan. It always help you to win your trade. Always remember this thing. Okay, so I hope you understood very well, and if you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. And so now let's meet in the next video, guys, with an awesome strategy, with an awesome tips. Okay, until then, bye bye, take care, have a good day.